The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a comment into our code. So you can see that line 1 currently displays our code that tells Python that it's going to display the words hello world. But I want to make sure I put a comment there to explain what that is supposed to be there for. So I'm actually going to be moving this down to line 2. So I'm going to click here beginning of line 1. If it highlights all that stuff like mine just did, I'm just going to push the arrow key, go back to the beginning of line 1 and push enter. And then we'll go back up to line 1, and I'm going to put my hashtag, it's also known as a pound symbol, and you'll see that it turns green on my screen. So anything that is green on my screen cannot be seen by Python itself. It will not actually be part of our code. So I'm just going to put greeting in there. So now if I go up here and click on run, you'll see the program does the same thing as it did before. It's just going to display my message. The idea that this greeting thing up here is going to just be a comment, so it can only be seen by people who are looking at the code. But if you look at just the console over here on the right hand side, you will see no changes at all.